welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Helen of Troy, and today's video is gonna be Halloween get ready with me. And in true fashion, your girl is running late. There's a lot of traffic already outside. People are trick-or-treating, you know, because it's Thursday and there's school tomorrow, blah blah blah. But right now, I'm gonna start getting ready. I'm gonna shower, get into my costume, and then start doing my hair and makeup with you guys. I'm gonna try to chit chat with you guys as much as I can, but if I want to go somewhere, I kind of have to hurry up. Costume is right behind me, but if you're gonna guess by the title, I'm gonna be yours truly, Helen of Troy. So I'm gonna show you guys the makeup inspo that I'm gonna try to do. It shouldn't take me too long to do the makeup. I just haven't done eyeliner in a while, and that's what I'm gonna try to go for, kind of like a gold but neutral and then winged look. So wish me luck, guys, and I'll check back in with you when I'm wearing my costume. So this is the outfit. Skincare is on already. I'm just gonna start prepping my brows as usual. Nothing too crazy, nothing that you guys haven't seen before. I'll show you guys like the full outfit. Hopefully I don't forget, because I'm always saying I'll show you guys, and I don't. But yeah, kind of upset that the last videos were in slow motion, but you know, thank you for sticking with me. This is, I think, year 3 that you guys are getting ready with me for Halloween. I also have a playlist if you guys want to go watch what I was before. And there's always wants to be that one pimple that wants to come out and play. Like, I have to get this on my skin, because as soon as I do, my makeup is gonna be like sticky there. I don't got time to play with that. Yeah, I'm gonna do some of my eye makeup first, and then start my hair. And I was trying to do the heatless curl thing, but it wasn't working, so I don't know, maybe I need another one. I can't wait to use something else, because this honestly leaves my brows kind of like cakey, but I'm excited. I don't even know what shade this one is. Let me see. Yeah, so we're gonna cover this up and let it dry. I guess it's it for now. And then hair is pretty much straightforward. I'm just gonna curl using this old Remington one that I have from like God knows how long, and I only have like got to be to spray on my hair. So I'm gonna be playing music, guys. So y'all don't mind me, because I'm kind of not in the mood now, because I deleted some footage by mistake, and I haven't even started editing that video. I should have exported it, but yeah. And what's crazy is I was gonna export all that stuff so I could make space, but no, like, I'm just kind of like over it right now. It was kind of like, I think, the car ride of us on the way there, and like the first few clips of us sitting down, that's when I noticed. I was like, oh shit, like I was not supposed to delete this. Y'all, I'm a little upset right now. But yeah, what happened was my camera ran out of space, so then I didn't think to put in my other sim, and I decided to delete stuff off the other one. And yeah, I was trying to catch that, but whatever, it is what it is. Okay, so this is the hair so far, guys, and I'm gonna comb this out anyways. I'm just debating about going outside because I haven't been feeling well. I still don't feel well. So this is honestly me getting ready for you guys. So I have to take pictures because last year I didn't get enough pictures. For Princess area, I did them kind of like indoors, like a waterfall theme, or like under the sea theme, I mean. And yeah, I need great pictures and reels and videos. So, and I'm hungry. I haven't put heat in my hair in months, so I'm okay with all the stuff I've been doing to my hair the past couple of weeks. So, but just know that this hair is gonna be nourished shortly. I'm gonna be doing so many treatments and things to make my curls look, you know, really, really good. Okay, just wrapping up the hair, guys. Do you guys think I was ever gonna do Helen of Troy? Because I used to tell myself a lot like, yo, when? Or I used to ask myself a lot like, yo, when you gonna do Helen of Troy? When are you gonna be the goddess that you are, girl? ¿Pa cuando? Yeah, guys. I don't know if I should go out. This might be my last year dressing up, or just even dressing up and doing activities. I used to go to these parties that were at somebody's house, and I just was going because I wanted to dress up. So hopefully I'm not blocking the light the whole time. I'm gonna move the light when I do my makeup. This lighting's probably terrible, and I'm sorry, guys. You're still rocking with your girl though. And I got so many ideas too for other costumes, so if you want me to dress up next year, leave some suggestions down below, guys. The best thing about creating content is that the outfits don't go to waste, you know. And I wanted to drink today too, and I think I can't even drink because I don't feel good. It sucks. It's not like I partied like that. Tampoco así. Party days are over though. I'm at the stage in my life where I want new things, and I'm trying to make space for it. So just don't have time for other things. Some people might find that boring. Some people might not care, and I'm one of those people that doesn't care what people think because it's my life. End of the day. When I'm done with the hair, I'll come back with you guys. Okay, guys, so this is the hair. I'm not gonna brush it out until, or like kind of fluff it up until I have my makeup done, so they can sit for a little bit and they don't drop. But this is what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna put on the crown. So cute, so cute. Now I know why my lighting look crazy, because one of my lights just be moving and it has a mind of its own. So for the makeup, we're gonna do a regular base as per usual. So we're gonna start off with like just neutral eyes. I'm gonna be going in with this palette that I've had for I don't know how many years, guys, but I'm the type of girl that puts her palettes to work. Okay, we're gonna use this Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush and go in with Fun Day, which is like a brownish tone, like a neutral tone. I'm gonna put the gold over it, and I want it to look kind of natural, so we're only going with like one layer of this. So we're not gonna be building this shadow. We're just gonna tap and blend. This cute mirror is from Glam Bar. Make sure you shop and use my code Glam 15. Get you some lip gloss, some lip liners. Cute mirror. I love this thing because if not, I would have been over here looking at my big mirror instead of like, you know, focusing on my eyes. Okay, so then this is kind of what it looks like right now. Maybe I should bring you guys closer. Closer to me, guys. I know y'all miss me. And I'm not a makeup artist, so this angle is better. Entonces, let me show you how the makeup look again, the info. This is what it's looking like. Right, so then I'm gonna add maybe a little bit of a dark brown. Like she has like greenish, goldish tones under her eyes and on her lid. So I'm gonna be using my lovely Fenty Galaxy palette to just play with it. And I might use a darker brown, the Youth Cream one, like in the kind of like the crease area and the outer crease, so that I can kind of like darken it up a little bit, but not too much. I don't want this to be too dark. Why am I using this? Cuidado, se te ensucia. The same shade I'm gonna be using underneath my lids. Okay guys, so this is what the eyes are looking like. Very dark, I know. I said I wasn't gonna go too dark. And we're gonna go in with like this gold and that one. So Mars on Fire and Lightyear. And we're gonna use this brush that's kind of like wet. I'm gonna mix them. Kind of like a halo. You get what I'm trying to say? Still? No idea. Cause I still have to finish my makeup. I mean, I'm almost done with my makeup. Seltzer water. And I feel like I'm gonna throw up. That's how I was since I left work. Yeah, I don't think you should drink that. Wish me luck on this liner, guys. Haven't done a liner in I don't know how many years. I'll just do something little. Nothing too crazy. So I have lashes already. So I'm gonna finish this off camera because honey. Guys, this liner situation is not working out. So what I'm just gonna do is do my bottom, my waterline. It's 11 o'clock, almost 11 o'clock, and I haven't done my reels, gotten any pictures, and I'm not feeling well. It's like so many things at once. This is what it's gonna have to give. So we're just gonna clean everything up with like, you know, with this shimmer and the rest of the eye makeup or the face makeup. All right, let's start doing this face makeup finally. And I'm just gonna go in with this powder to set everything and blend it out. last thing I want to do is touch my costume with my hands for the makeup. Lord. I'm literally like so dizzy. Like I can't even. We're gonna have to finish because I can't. I'm gonna do my lips off camera. And then show you the full fit when I'm getting ready. This is the full outfit, guys.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.
It's right there.
I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, and then every day. All I wanna hear is the visions that we play. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around.
I hope you guys are enjoying this costume because I'm trying my best to take some pictures and I'm not feeling well. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next year and in the next vlogs because I'm tired. So making sure I close the video out.